Hey guys, my name's Ben. This is the first video I'm ever going to be taking for YouTube. Today I'm going to be a review of an Airsoft shotgun that I have. Yeah, so enjoy. So, that's the shotgun itself, Airsoft. Some cool things. First of all, that's the clip. Adjustable stock. And keep it at, that. That adjusts. Come on. Okay. And let's see, this is a pump gun. It is not CO2, not electric, not spring. Actually, it is spring. Spring and pump. You just gotta pump it like this. It's easier when you get used to it to pump it. And then, this is what it sounds like when it's firing. Let me just aim at that tree. Zoom in on it. I don't think you can see the BB, but, who cares. So, right now I'm gonna reload it, and I'm gonna do another firing test. So, again, this is how you do it, and then up. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see that little, whatever this is. And I'm gonna shoot at it. Wow, it bounced off and almost hit me in the face. I should be wearing a mask. So again, I got this gun at Dick's for around $60-ish, probably. Right here is the safety button. 50 on, safety off. It is 350 FPS. Of course it has the orange tip. If you have a scope, you can put it on. There's a lot of places for a scope. Like, you can put it on here, on the side, here, and of course on the other side here. Again, this is a really nice gun. Perfect for a beginner. Yep. So again, this is the first video I've ever taken. Thanks for tuning in. Bye. Oh, and subscribe. Add stars or whatever. I don't know if you can add stars. Rate and comment and all that stuff. So, again, thanks for tuning in. Bye.